Alright guys, what is up? Today I'm going to show you how we installed our new kitchen faucet and the drain. So stick around. Alright guys, so we got our faucet off of Amazon. I think we paid under $150 total for the faucet and the drain that matches the same finish. So today I'm going to show you how we installed it, and then at the end I'll let you guys know how it's been working. Alright, we're installing the Haven HV601. This is a single kitchen faucet. It is brushed brass and it has the pull out sprayer that you can use. And we purchased this on Amazon. We paid $128.90, which for a kitchen faucet, they're usually really expensive. Again, these are imported, but I've had good luck with the faucets and stuff from Amazon. Haven't had issues with them. We've purchased quite a few. We're also going to install this brass drain. This is the LQS kitchen sink drain. Now our sink back here did come with a drain when we bought it, but it is brushed nickel and my wife wants it to match the faucet. So we picked this up also on Amazon when we ordered the faucet. We paid $20 for it, and it's pretty cool. It has this little strainer cup, and we just have a single sink, so we just need one $20, so about $150. You have a 20-inch hose, so it will go quite a bit. I believe this is as far as it'll pull out, but yeah, I mean, it's a pretty good workable length. And again, it does have the spray, the two-function sprayer. It has the spray mode and the stream mode. This comes with your faucet, your lines. It also comes with a little cover if you have more than one hose and you want to convert to a single faucet. So a little plastic, just different aerators, and then of course the weight for the hose, which will be what brings it back into position. It says the material is high quality brass material. The valve is a ceramic cartridge. It is metal. It's heavy. It's not like too heavy. All right, and it has all the connections for your hot water, cold water inlets right here. It has, these are 9/16 connections. They're a little bit different than I've seen, but it does come with the water lines that you need, marked blue and red. All right, if you're using the plate, it'll fit a maximum countertop depth of 1 inch. If you're not using it and you're installing just the faucet directly onto your countertop, like this granite, then it'll accommodate a countertop depth of 1.5 inches. It'll fit one hole, or like I said, a 3-hole with this cover. It says easy to install, should be about 20 minutes hopefully. So we're gonna get into it, and again, it feels heavy. It looks good. It doesn't look cheap. I know I bought like ceiling fan on Amazon and I felt like it looked a lot cheaper than I expected for what I paid. This part right here does feel like plastic. The washer head or whatever, I'm not sure. It might not be. Yeah, it feels like plastic. It sounds like plastic. And then the rest of this does feel like it is metal, all of this. So let's go ahead and get these things installed. Bottom flange off. All right, and the easiest way to get this in is to just stretch the turn it, and then when you get to the end, get this black one, I'm all over the place today. Get this blue one in. took the screws out, and you're just gonna put that in there. Put the other half over it. The black goes into that longer we got it. Cool. And then we will plug in cold with the cold and the hot with the hot. Alright guys, got our faucet in. Next we're going to go ahead and put our drain in. We are using plumber's putty. We're going to put it all the way around here. Actually, we're going to put it on here, all around that edge. That just to keep the water from going out. And this is the stain-free. It's like playing play. Alright guys, so we ended up with the original screw nut thing that came with the drain. Then underneath that we have the tailpiece with the orange flange right here on the outside. And then it has the black flange on the inside. Alright, next we're going to insert this other slip nut, the drain pipe. Then we're going to take another one of these orange gaskets. Then this is where this part comes in. Alright, that's it guys. There we have it. We have our drain going into the tailpiece right here, going into this elbow, to the flexible long one, to the pre-made P-trap, into the house plumbing, and then we have this that we can take off whenever we're ready to put our dishwasher hose in. We'll just drill a hole back there and connect it right here. That's it guys, that took about 15 minutes to put in. Now we just gotta try it. Alright guys, and as far as the trap, we have had no issues whatsoever. No leaks, nothing at all, no clogs, anything like that. It's always better to get the real thing with the plumber, but I wanted to try something that a normal homeowner like myself could just pick up at the store and install themselves. And so far this has worked fine. Maybe I'll update you guys in 6 months to a year and let you guys know how it's holding up, but up until now we haven't had any issues down here due to this snappy trap. As far as the faucet, still working great, hasn't come loose or anything. The only thing that we've noticed is the pressure on this went down a little bit. I feel like the first time that we tried it, it was a little bit, it came out a little bit harder. The pressure was a little better, and now it's just not as heavy as it was towards the beginning. And that may be due to the fact that our water's kind of hard here. Maybe it's starting to get clogged up and we need to change it and put a new aerator. But other than that, it's holding up great. It cleans nicely. It's, you know, got a couple bangs to, you know, you wash dishes and you hit it. And the drain as well. It's working out great. This is awesome. So when you pull this little thing out, you pull all the trash out, dump it out in your trash can. That's been working great. So all in all guys, very happy with this purchase on Amazon. Sometimes that's not the case. I know we bought some ceiling fans that we weren't really 100% happy with, but this has been great so far. I guess I can update you guys again in 6 months and let you guys know where it's at. But thanks for watching guys. Again, if you like the channel, please hit that like and that subscribe down below, and we'll see you guys next week.